even buy this much. I be these children clothes not join so because I think say only 3 shirts and maybe 2 top or 3 top. Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. That depends on the country you base. Okay, yeah guys, so you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of coming across my video, okay, my name is Hope and I'm married with 2 kids. Okay, so guys, today I'm going to be reviewing what I got. And I don't know how to call this in English because I base in France. Okay, like when they are doing reduction of like clothes and things like that. Okay, so there are some items like clothes I got for my 2 sons. Okay, and I also got few for myself as well. So I'm gonna be reviewing them to you guys. They are very cheap and affordable. Okay, yeah, I bought them very cheap because they are doing like 70% in all their products. Okay, and I got this clothes from Carrefour. If you know, if you're based in France, they are even Carrefour in most country. Okay, yeah, so I got them from Carrefour because that is the only place I do get things for my kids that are close to me, because I can't go far away to go and do shopping for them. Okay guys, because this my city I base here, they don't have boutique like Kids boutique where they shop for children. The only one they even have, you will not even like their clothes, and their clothes are very expensive. Okay, so that's the reason why I don't like shopping with them. Of course everybody like cheap thing, even me, I like cheap thing. Where cheap thing the goods, okay, especially when the clothes are beautiful. So my people, that's what I'm going to be reviewing to you guys today. I'm going to be showing you guys all the clothes. Okay guys, so keep watching. All right, and please don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time of coming across this video, my channel. Subscribe to my channel please, okay, and turn on the bell notification so that whenever I upload a video you will always be notified. Okay guys, I love you all. Let's bounce into the video. Okay, let me review what I got for them for you all to see, for you to know that the clothes are very cheap and they are as well beautiful. Okay, so my people, stay tuned. All right, thank you all for watching. So guys, these are the things I got for my little boy. Okay, these are the things I got for my little boy. All right guys, I didn't really go to the shopping in one day, so I don't know how much in total I spent in all the things. Okay guys, so I can't really remember. I can't come and be counting all the things to know how much I bought them, but they are cheap. Okay, that's the mistake I made because I didn't shop them for one day. Yeah, I do go there to check if there are beautiful things I will pick. The next day I might go there, check. That's how I bought all of them. I bought them about 4 days. Okay, I didn't buy them once. Okay, even if I bought them once, I won't be able to bring all of them home because it will be a little bit much for me to bring home. So I decided to be shopping them little by little. That's how I got all these cheap clothes. Okay, like this one is for my second son. Okay, this one, as you can see, is 1 year. Okay, it's 1 year clothes. Okay, and this one they wrote €9. You can't see it, I don't know, they wrote €9 in here, but as you can see, this sample here, this blue sample, it means that is 70% discount. Yeah, let me call it discount, or I don't know how to call it, because in France we call it sold. Okay, we call it sold. So this is 70% discount, meaning 70%, and this clothes normal price is this one is what I'm saying. The normal price of this one is €10. So if you divide the 70% into 3, I mean €10, you divide it into 3, it's going to give you €3. So as you can see, this one I bought it for €3. I don't know if it's €3.20. As you can see, it's very nice and beautiful. I got it for €3 20 cents, not 10 euro, not the real price. Okay, that's why I said they are cheap, because they are doing discount in the place I bought it. Is Carrefour. It's not a boutique, it's Carrefour, where they shop for food and everything, but they also sell children clothes and adult clothes. They sell a lot of things. There is a very big supermarket. That's why I got this clothes. Okay, so look at it here. This one is 3 euro. All right, I'll be putting it aside. Then this one also, I got it for, this one is jeans. I got it for 10 euro also, meaning I mean the price, the real price is 10 euro. Sorry, it's 10 euro written on it, and you can see the blue sample. All the clothes have this blue sample. They are also red. If you see the red sample, it means that the clothes is in 50%. The blue one is more cheaper than the red sample. So I got all the clothes with blue sample because I want cheap clothes. Everybody wants cheap thing. As far as the thing is fine, I like cheap thing where that's my kind of person. I don't like spending money on clothes, expensive clothes. It's of no use, because even if I wear it, nobody will know how much I bought it. Or else maybe I decide to tell the person, look at how much my clothes is cost. Okay guys, so I love cheap thing. Okay, and now I've already told myself that I will no longer be shopping when they are not doing this discounts, this sold. I will keep my money. Anytime they are doing this discount, I will just go there and pick a lot of clothes. If I owe maybe like 300 euro, my children bag will full, like one luggage will full for the first one, second, and voila, like that. Okay, so I don't want to be wasting money anymore on clothes for my children, especially the one that is going to school. My first son, that one, the clothes, not even the last time like that. Sometimes I used to buy clothes, I would say he go use them for 1 year throughout the school. I'll buy plenty, but they use them like that. And what did they pay me? They say for a part, they say if you buy clothes for them, they like to wear them. You go, they wear one cloth until you tell and say, oh, now this clothes don't dirty, or go and change it before you go change it. So because of that, I stopped buying much clothes. Okay, yeah, and now I've noticed that since they are doing sold in this my city, in that particular market, it's not far from me. It's just 3 minutes to the market, 3 to 5 minutes to the supermarket. I will just keep my money and go there and get a lot of clothes for my children and myself, even my husband. That day my husband even pick a lot of clothes too, because they are very cheap and affordable. But I'm not going to be reviewing my husband on here. Okay, but they are also cheap. Okay, yeah, so these are the clothes. This one is jeans, and I bought this one also for 3 euro, maybe 20 cents, I don't know, but I will call it 3 euro because I don't like adding cents to anything I buy. Even if there is 5 cents, 10 cents, I don't call it anything. I just measure the exact price. This is 3 euro. Okay, you see, it's very cheap. Imagine you got this jeans for 3 euro. Isn't it cheap? It's cheap. Yeah. So guys, I base here in France, in Paris, France. Not exactly in Paris, but I'm in Paris, Ile-de-France. Okay, so I'm in Paris, Ile-de-France. So these clothes are cheap. Okay, the soda finished. I think it finished since on the 15th of this month. So if maybe you want to come and shop and you base in France, or you base in Paris, you want to come and shop for your kids, I don't think you will get beautiful clothes again. But they still have some leftover one that people didn't pick everything. The sold is still there, but it's not that beautiful like all this one. And maybe they have picked the most cheapest one. Even white people, Francaise, like Oyibo, that they buy cheap thing too, my people. Cheap thing, because even the first day when I go, they close food there, but I'm not carrying better money. So when I come reach there the second day, I was so surprised that they don't pick almost all the beautiful clothes. Oh, white people now I see for the first day. Second day I went there, they don't pick all the beautiful clothes. They have picked everything. All these white people, they have picked everything. Everybody like cheap thing, not only black. We don't just buy cheap thing because it's cheap. We buy them because they are beautiful. Okay, yes, of course, everybody want to look good. They want good clothes. So this one is 3 euro. I'll put it aside. Okay, these are the two that I just reviewed. I will drop them here. This one is complete. As you can see, this one, they came together like this. You see, it have only one hanger, so they join the two together and they put, and they put 12 euro. Let me say 13 euro because they have 99 cents. So I tell you, I know they can't cents on my something. Even if the thing at 12 euro 99, it can't remain 1 euro to complete and 13. They call on 13 euro. I know they count my cents. So this one is 13 euro. And because they have red tickets, I didn't even notice I took red tickets on. I was thinking that I didn't even take, because this red ticket on is a little bit cost than the blue tickets. So this red ticket, they have 50%, meaning as it is 13 euro, the selling price is 3 euro 50 cents. That is how I got this. Instead of 13 euro, I got it for 3 euro 50 cents. Okay, look at it. This one is for my boy, my 1-year-old boy. It will soon be 1 year, not yet. Okay, so this one also, I love this one so much. Why I love this one so much is because this one, they join it together. It came like this, so I bought it like this, and they have it two pieces. Look at this one. It has the trouser and it has the top. This other side also has the trouser and it has the top. Okay, so it's two clothes we have here. We have two clothes here. So I got this one for 14 euro. I don't know if you can see it, even if it's distance. I don't know if my light is disturbing, if you can see it well. This one is 15 euro, because I'm not the count cents. Because now 14 euro 99 cents, now they write inside here. So this one, I got it for 15 euro, right? So that 15 euro when they put for here, so not be the money I take buy them. I didn't buy. Sorry that I'm speaking my Nigerian Pidgin English and English, because I have my Nigerian people here also, and I also have a lot of people from different country, English country, that is watching this video. So I will mix the two language together. Okay, yeah, because this English of 18 is not my language. It's the Pidgin one. What my mama say train me. That's what my mother trained me with. So I just have to speak it. Okay. So my people, this is 15 euro, and if you divide it into 3, I think it's going to be about 4 euro or 4 euro something. But let me remove the 4 euro something. It is 4 euro. I got this one. Okay, guys. Yeah, 4 euro. I got this one. Okay, I think 4 euro. No, 5 euro. Exactly 5 euro, because it's 70% and it's 15 euro. So dividing into 3, I think you are going to get 5 euro. Yeah. Okay, for these two clothes. Oh. I beg, if you tell me say this clothes not cheap, I go know say that person like cheap thing more than me as well. So this clothes is very cheap and beautiful. Okay, I love it so much. So guys, this is for my son, my 1-year-old son. Okay, this one is the last one I got for him. There were 2, but he wore one yesterday, so that one don't come. I'm not going to review it. He don't wear. Okay, so this one also is just, I don't know how to call this one. It's sweater. I think it's sweater. So this one is 5 euro, right? No, they write 6 euro because they have 5 euro 99 cents. It's 6 euro, and it's with red ticket. So this one red ticket is 50%, meaning it's 2 euro 50 cents. I got this one 2 euro 50 cents, my dear, my people. This cloth is cheap. Well, it's cheap, even cheap past the kind of, as in, I don't know how to talk about, but all I know is that all these clothes are cheap and beautiful. Okay, so this one is 2 euro 50 cents. All right, like I told you guys, I didn't remember to gather all the price of it, and you know, as in gather all the price to just calculate everything I bought, so that I can know. I look at how much I spend. I didn't do that, but that is the little I can do, and the clothes are cheap. Okay, guys, so let me show you guys the next one. That is for my first son. Okay, I will show you guys now. So guys, I'm done with the first reviewing of my little boy clothes. Okay, so this one is for my senior son. Okay, this is for my first son. So this is what I got for him. All right, guys, all these clothes here, these are the one I got for him. Okay, my son is 10 years old and is going to 11 years now. All right, so this is what I got for him. As you can see, this one is complete. He has also the underwear here. He has this. It came with 2. Okay, you can see he has the knicker. I don't know how they call it. I don't know how they call this one, but it's complete. Okay, so look at the price. I got this one. Let me check for the ticket. I don't know. if the ticket is no longer inside. Okay, this is the ticket, and it has a red sample. Okay, this one is the red sample, and is €7. So as it's €7 like this, is 50%. So I didn't bought it for the €7. I bought it for, I think it's €3.50. Okay, yeah, €3.50 for this complete. You can see, let me shift my camera a little bit. So I got this for €3.50. You see, it's very cheap, very affordable. So this one will stay here. I will keep everything I'm reviewing, I will keep them here. So guys, this one as well is the same. It's complete also. This one is also complete. It came together with this shirt here. Okay, and how much I got this one? Let me see. I got them. This one is blue tickets. Okay, it has blue sample, and I bought this blue sample for, where is the price again? They wrote €12. Yeah, €12. So I think it's €12.99. I don't know if you can see the price. €12.99, but I call it €13. I know they can't send for my clothes. So €13 divided by 3, I think is going to be €3 and some things, but I will call it €3. Okay, look at the cloth I got for €3, guys. It's very beautiful. Wow, I'm so super excited because my son will go back to school. They're in holidays, right? They will go back to school in September. Okay, so I've done all the shopping for him because he has some things that is also still good, very good, that he can also use to school. But I bought all this little one to support him as well, so that I will know that I won't be buying anything for the summer again until winter reduction comes out again. That's when I'm going to buy. That will be in 6 months time. So look at what I got for €3. These two clothes for €3. My people, I beg, the thing just to go cheap. I can't come here and be lying. The thing to go cheap. Oh. So this one also, no, I've reviewed this one before. I don't think I've reviewed this one. No, I've not reviewed this one. So this one also have because all the things I'm reviewing, I used to put them here, if you notice. So this one also have complete. This one have knicker too inside. It is complete. Okay, so I got this one also for, let me see, I got it for €7, and it has also red ticket, red badge, and this red one is 50%. I used to explain the percent to you so that you will understand the price. 50%, and it's €7. So this one will be €3.50. I got this one also €3.50. Okay, my people, you see as it's cheap. So let's dive to the next one. This one, they don't have any ticket inside. Okay, look at it. This one is also very beautiful. It's also nice and beautiful. They don't have any ticket inside. So it's just €2 because they didn't put any red or blue ticket. That is because it's already cheap. This is the real price of this cloth. It's very cheap, €2. That is to say that even without sold, even without discounts, you will still get cheap clothes. So this one is €2. Okay, €1.99. It is €2. I got this one. €2 is very cheap. So this one, let me try to make the video a little bit fast because I think this video will be a bit longer because I'm going to review the little I got for myself as well. So I want to try and fast, okay, so that I won't waste you people time. Okay, thank you all for watching with me. So guys, this one is also €2. Okay, this one is also €2. But the tickets, can you imagine? This one is €2, €1.99. It is €2, and they have red ticket. It means it is €1. I got it because red ticket is 50% discount. So I have €1. I bought it for €1. This plain yellow shirt for €1. I don't know. I'm not sure I go fit come up for this my city shop because their things cheap. I like cheap things, so no make una not mind me, I beg. I just to go like cheap things. I love where they sell cheap things, okay? Because we came to Europe to work. We didn't come to waste money. When you want to buy something, if you know the thing is cheap and nice and beautiful, you can get it for yourself. But most people don't like cheap things. They think that if you buy Mac or you wear Mac expensive clothes, that is how people will see you like a big girl or a big woman or a big man. Me, I know they look who she face. So now anything when I see I like, now I go buy for my pikin and myself, okay, for my children. I love cheap thing, okay. And anybody when they close to me, when be my friend, know say I love cheap thing. Because if me and you don't go out before, if you see the way I take the chop, nobody go tell you say this girl not the form. I know the form. I know they send anybody face. Because why? That is because it's my money. I can use it as I want. I can get cheap thing. I can get anything I want for myself and my children, okay. So I know the look say because I bought cheap thing, that means I'm a cheap girl. And yes, I'm a cheap girl. Let me answer it. Even if I'm a cheap girl, it's my cheap. It's not your cheap. So my people, that is it. So my people, look at it. This one is €5.99, meaning €6, because I know they count that €1 when that 1 cent when they inside. I know they call them now €6 they call this one. So I got this one for, see, look at the real price before. The real price is €8 because they have €7.99. It's €8. Then now because they have changed the price of it because of, I don't know if it's this discount, they put €6. They remove only €2 inside. Then after that €6 they later put here, they still add another blue ticket. That is to say that I didn't buy it for €6. I bought it for, blue ticket is three. I will share it into 3. It's 70%. So I'm going to call it, I bought it for €1 something. Yeah, €1 something. Maybe €1.50. That's how I got this shirt. €1.50 for this beautiful colorful shirt. My people, Obinagwa and Sheku is ringing the bell if it's your friends. So look at it. Excuse me, my people, please. So this one is very, I love this shirt so much because why? It has a lot of color, like 3 colors. One white, blue, and navy blue. If I know color though, I'm not too sabi color though, but I think this one is navy blue, this one is blue, and this one is white, okay. So guys, that is it. They are very cheap. So this one, I got this one for how much? This one is €5. They have €5 on it, and I got it 70%. Okay, sorry for the noise in the background. That's my little baby. He's with his dad, so I don't know why he's crying. So this one is €5, is 70%. That means I got it for €1 something too. Okay, so that is how I got this shirt. Okay guys, beautiful shirt for my baby boy, my big baby, oh, because 10 years pikin not be small pikin again. So this one is €2. This blue one here, let me keep this one first. This blue one here is €2. I got it for let me say 50 cents because they have blue tickets. So I got this one for 50 cents, my people. I be 70 cents. We cannot lie. Not reach €1 when I buy this shirt. Oh, wanna tell me say this my boutique not cheap now. If they say make I remain for this city, why I no go stay? Tell me why I no go stay. I go stay, Joe. I beg. So this one is the last one for my son, my big son. Okay, it's the last review of him. So this one is €2, and they have also blue ticket though. That is to say I bought, this is 70%. That is to say I bought it for the same price with the second to last I review. I think 50 cents or 70 cents. Shirt not reach €1. It not reach €1. Now I take buy this one. No. Money not reach €1 when I take buy it. God will bless this my city. Okay, yeah, God will bless them. So my people, that is all I have for my 2 kids. Okay, my big baby and my small baby. So let's jump into my own review. Stay tuned guys, and thank you all for watching my video. I really appreciate you guys so much. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Okay, turn it on so that whenever I upload a video you will always be notified guys. Thank you. Let's dive into my own review. Okay, my people, I don't come back again for now. So this one are my own. Okay, this is the little I got for myself. I didn't know I even buy this much. I be these children clothes not join, so because I think it's only 3 shirts and maybe two top or three top two on this being at nika or column. Now I even buy. I don't know say there plenty like this, so I don't know say there plenty like this. So guys, this is what I got for myself. Okay, look at them. This is what I got for myself. So let me review it one after the other. So let me start with this gown, this black gown. This is a plain black gown. Okay, so this plain black gown, I got it for, this one is €9 the real price, and €10 the real price. They have €9.99 there, so it is €10. I used to call it, like I told you guys. So it is €10. So I got it for 70% discount, which means the real the price after this one here, the price they sold it for me is €3. Okay, €3. Now I say buy this one, €3. Black plain dress. I love black so much. I like black. As you can see now, black I even wear. Okay, I love black dress a lot. Okay, so I got it for €3. €3, very nice and beautiful. So let me talk about this one. This one here is the same design like that one. Okay, it's the same design like that one. Hello, ça va? So this one here is the same design like the black one, and it is the same price but different color. I got it also for €3. Okay, my people, look at it. Got it for, I love this color so very much. Okay, I love it so much, so I got it for €3. So let me review the other one. Okay, so this one is the other one, the same design, the same people that made the two gowns. It's the same people that made this one. Okay, it's the same, but I got them in 3 colors. Yeah, so this one also is €3. I got this one €3. I bought it because they got €10 in the real price, but it's 70% discount, and I got it for €3. I love this red also, very beautiful. Oh my goodness, I can't fit shout so because this clothes, and you know, just know the kind of love I get for this clothes. So this one, I love this shirt also because it's stretches, as in it is stretch. Okay, so this one, I got this one for, this one is 50%. They got €6, right? €6 because it's red ticket, so it's 50%. So I got it for €3. Yeah, exactly €3. That's why I bought this one, because 50%, you have to divide the 50%, as in €5, €6, you divide it into 2. Is it not €3 you will have? So I got this one for €3. Fine polo. I mean a top. I don't know how to call this one. So this one also is just a plain. They wrote Mon Love. I mean a Mon Love. Okay, Mon Love. Now they wrote for this one face. They wrote Mon Love. Okay, I love it so much because it's pink. I love pink too as well. So this one is 50% and it is €4, meaning I didn't buy it up to, no, let me say €4 and 50%. Yes, 50% is €2. Yeah, I got it for €2. Okay, my people, €2. Very beautiful. So let's dive into this bun short. Hi, this bun short, if I got jam, they're not gonna know me again. Wallahi. So guys, this one is bun short. I love it so much because this bun short don't look like this mini. It's mini, I used to call it sometimes. It don't look like it doesn't look cheap. It doesn't fit its price self, as in it not fits the money. When I say buy it big past the money. The making, no, I mean, if you touch them, it big past the price when I say buy, because in normal price is €13. Okay, but I bought it in 70% discount. 70% meaning I bought it for €3. This one, €3. Now I buy this one, €3, my people. Tell me say it's not cheap. Tell me say it's not cheap now. Make I hear. So guys, this one is just normal, something I will wear at home. I can't wear this one out, but I can actually wear this one to the supermarket though, because the supermarket is not far. So I think I can wear this one with one white top or any top, maybe white or black top will go well. So I can wear this one with black top with some palm slippers during the summer, walk around with the kids or go for shopping during my city not inside town. So I don't want to go inside town with this one. As a married woman, now my husband not going to make I wear this one come off for us go town, but he go agree make I wear and go supermarket here. So I will wear this one at home and outside like in my city. So this one, I got this one. This one is blue ticket, and this price is €6, meaning it's not up to I think I bought it it is €2. Yes, let me say I got it for €2. Okay, it is very cheap. This one is the same material like the blue one I just reviewed. Okay, it's the same material, but I got them in different color. That is my life. I don't know whether another person be like me for this life, because my husband always they complain about that thing. One shirt, one making of shirts, as in the way this one be now, they just put and say different color. I go just rush them because saying a different color. So I love different colors and the same materials. It doesn't mean as far as they are not the same color, I can buy even 10 of them and keep. If they say I even see more, that day when I go there, they find different color, like different color. Say if I see like 5, I go just rush them because they're cheap. So this one is now this one can't even cheap pass. It's the same material though. This one is €4. They have blue tickets, so I got it for it's not up to €2. It's €1.50. I got this one, I think so, or €1. You see, I'm very fine. Now Nika bon shorts, mini. The one I go to the seduce my husband the most. So you know, so I don't marry now. I go still continue to the seduce him. Yes, so so this one is the same one, is the same material, and this one is the last review. Yeah guys, it's the last review. So I'm going to be reviewing the last review to you guys about the clothes. Okay, so this one is €6. The real price, as you can see, there is 5 there, and they have 99 cents at the back. So it's €6, and they have blue tickets on it, so it means I got it for €2. Yes, €2. €2. This one fine well too. €2. Yes guys, that is all I have. These are all the clothes I've reviewed to you guys. Okay, these are all the clothes. So that is all I bought during this discount. Okay, during the discount, that is all I got for my kids, my 2 kids. My husband have his own, but you know, men, they know they buy plenty now. He have his own too, but his own is not much, so it's there. I don't want to review those ones, but they are also cheap. Okay, yeah, make you not say maybe because I don't want to review them is because they are not beautiful. They are also cheap and beautiful because they have 70% discount. So we bought for everybody. Okay, so before I will go, I just received, because I ordered for a new camera stand. Yeah, because the one I ordered before was not nice. I mean, this mini one, I have the big one. That's the one, my camera, that is one I'm using now as I'm talking to you. My camera and my light is, that is what I'm using now. So the mini one, the one that you can hold with your hands when maybe you want to go out or you want to travel and you feel like vlogging or videoing anything, that's the camera I'm talking about. And I ordered one the last time. It was a bit like, I don't know how to say it, I don't really like it. I don't know if it's because I bought it very cheap. Like I told you people, I love cheap thing. I bought it for, I don't know where the camera is safe. Okay, let me see if I can get it. It's close to me. I said camera, the stand. This is it. This is it. This one is very cheap. Because I like cheap thing. So I went to go and buy this one. It's €1.50. I bought it oh. I bought this one €1.50. It's not that it's bad though. That's what I've been using for the past 2 weeks. I've been using this and it's good. They used to turn it in different direction. It is good, but I don't like the way it looks because it's not heavy. I don't like something that is very light. You know, that's why I don't like it. If not, it is nice. You just place it and you put your camera here and you film. I've been using this, okay, at home too, but I don't like it. Okay, that's why I decided to order another one, which is this one. This one came yesterday from Amazon. Yeah, I ordered this one from Amazon and it came yesterday. I bought it for €15. This one is €1.50 and this one is €15. The big lights that I was talking about that I'm using now, a friend of mine bought it as a gift for me. Okay, when I put to bed my last boy, He bought it as a gift for me, and it's very expensive. Okay, yeah, it's very good light. That's what I'm using now. But this one, I bought it 15 euro, and they bought it yesterday. They delivered it to me yesterday. So I'm gonna be unboxing it. Let's see how it look like. Hope it heavy, because even if it's cheap, I like heavy something we get weight, you know. So that is it, guys. Let's unbox it together. So this is the carton that it came with. I've already opened it. Okay, they put it in the, no, Amazon. I just to go like Amazon. I like Amazon too much, because why? If they want package something come for you, that they package them with their hearts. They don't want to make story enter. Amazon is the best place to shop, but things are expensive in Amazon. I think things are expensive in Amazon, but their things is quality and nice. Okay, let me I help them review their Amazon something small now. Yes, Amazon is the best place to shop if you really want to shop, and they will deliver it to you in less than 24 hours. You will get your package. So imagine this small something. No, just look at this small camera stand. If it's a camera phone, and I don't know, they put 3 type of camera that you can use on it. Your phone can go on it, camera can go on it, and another one like that can go on it. So imagine they put it in this large carton. Tell me now, tell me. So even if you buy something 100 euro, the package and where you go appreciate them. Or you buy something 50 euro, 20 euro, the package and where you go appreciate them. Because imagine you bought something and the thing came, is damaged. It's not, you are not going to be happy. So it's better to chop where they will package your things well, so that when the thing arrives, you will be happy, smiling. When you're opening it, you will be smiling. Because this one from my heart, I love it so much. Love it so much. So guys, this one at the camera when I receive, I have nails. So you know, say with nails, this nails are just for shakara. I have nails, so I can't be able to open it, but I think I will try to open it. Okay, because I remove one of the nails so that I can be using this finger. There is no nails on it. I'll be using it to do anything when I want to. I'll be using it to open anything. So let me show you guys the camera stand. Oh. Things are already falling down. So this one came with it. I don't know what they use this one for. This one came with it. I will try to fix it later. This one also is the one that you will put your phone. Okay, this one is the one that you will put your phone. This one is the remote. I have this remote too. My own is red, because it came with my long camera, my big camera, as in my lights. I have the red. It came with the red as a gift. But this one came with this one. This one is the remote, okay, that we'll be using to, if you are using iPhone, because I have iPhone, that's what I'm using to film. This one is when you are using iPhone, while this one is when you are using Samsung. So they have 2 buttons there. So this one is the remote to control it, okay. You don't need to be standing up to go and pause it or on it, okay, because I get that character where I like to go there, pause my video, start again. And not be say I not get this thing. I get the red one. It there for my bag. The bag will come with. I'm not use it like that. So this one is the stand. Oh, this stand quality, sha. The heavy, now this kind of thing, see as it long. No, compare it to this cheaper chico now. Compare it to this cheaper chico. Fine, I like cheap thing, yes. But compare it. Look at it. Look at the length. Can you see? Just look at it. Look at it. But look at this one. It's double bigger than this. Double 2 times. I've been at 1 time. I'll call them. So look at it. It's the same thing. You need to bend it also when you want to use it. You bend it. A friend of mine in Germany, she based in Germany, she reviewed this to me, but it's another type. That one is having red something, yeah, but it's the same. She reviewed it to me. She said I should go and buy that one. That one is very good. It's the same, but different company that make it, because they have red something here. So I was trying to, that one is 30 euro. Yeah, that one is 30 euro. So I was trying to order that one, and because she based in Germany, the language came out in Germany, as in Germany language, Dutch. So I don't really understand anything they are talking about. So that's why I didn't order that one. I have to go take the picture and place it in Amazon and begin to check again for similar products that looks like the one she sent to me. That's how I got this one, and I placed order for this one. 15 euro. Now they say buy free shipping, prim, because my shipping are prim, because I did buy something for Amazon where I think say I make them give me primo. I don't know. because print be like they not put print for the thing, but it's print be like VIP something. So they bought this one for me. I'm so super excited, guys. So my people, that is all I have for today. I really want to appreciate you all for your time, for taking your time to watch my video. I appreciate you all. May God bless you all very, 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 very much. God will bless you all for me, okay? If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, okay? My name is Hope. I've introduced myself before, so I will still introduce myself again. My name is Hope, and I'm a married woman with 2 kids, okay? I live in France, okay? In Paris, France. All right, guys? So please subscribe to my channel so that you can get more video from me. Turn on the bell notification so that whenever I upload a video, you will always be notified, okay, guys? I appreciate you, and if you are my old subscriber, I also appreciate you all. I love you all so much. Thank you all for always stopping by to watch my video. I really appreciate you all. Thank you all so much, okay? Yeah, so this is all I have for today, and we have to end this vlog here. All right, guys? So I really appreciate you all once again. See you all on my next video. Bye bye. Bye bye.